Good morning, kids. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 11, and the name of the chapter is Lines and Lines. So, in this chapter, we learn about different types of lines which we are using. Firstly, we are going to learn standing line. Standing means, if we call in Hindi, means khadi, right? And we call in English, we call it either standing line or we call it as vertical lines also. So simply we'll start this chapter with an activity. Firstly, I will draw the standing line with the help of this ruler, or we call it as scale also. So see, this is called standing line. Okay, one more line I will draw. So these two lines are called either standing line, you can call it, and you can also call it as a vertical lines. Okay, we can do one activity. You will need one Fevicol and this mastic box, and these are the mastic. You can stick it with the help of the Fevicol, right? You have to apply the Fevicol, at the edge, right? But make sure that you stick it properly in a vertical way, means खड़ा आपको रखना है, right? Then you can use next one. So you can see we make one line with the help of the mastic, and it is in standing position, so we call it as standing line or we call it as vertical line also. Now second type of line is sleeping line, or we call it as horizontal. So now I'll show you. Firstly, I will draw it with the help of the scale. Sleeping, आपने देखा हो सोते कैसे हो आप लोग, right? That is the same as this is called sleeping line. One more line I will draw. See, right? So these two are the sleeping line, or we call it as horizontal line. Now we will use mastic for this. Okay, so you can apply glue here and stick it in horizontal. Sleeping way में ही आपको उसको stick करना है, right? This is the sleeping line, or we call it as horizontal line. You have to do this activity at your home also. आपको घर पे भी activity करनी है with the help of the mastic and Fevicol. You will need only two things, this Fevicol and mastic. So these two are the horizontal lines. Okay, now on the next slanting line. मोस्टली आपने देखे होंगे कि हमारे जो घर, पुराने जो घर थे, उसमें ऐसे घर वो लोग बनाते थे, ऐसे हम घर बनाते. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्लांट लाइन. ये जो लाइन है दैट इज कॉल्ड स्लांट लाइन, और वी कॉल्ड इट स्लैंटिंग लाइन. नाउ आई विल शो यू with the help of the ruler how to draw a slant line. तिरछे बोलते हैं in Hindi. See, this is called slant line or slanting line also we called, right? और एक आपको एग्जांपल दूँ. आप जो आप स्कूल में खेलते हो, प्लेग्राउंड में खेलते हो, जो हिंदी में बोलते लपसंग जो बोलते, राइट? वो भी कैसे होती है, स्लैंट होती है, राइट? सो दिस ऑल आर द स्लैंटिंग लाइन्स एग्जांपल. नाउ विल डू और वी विल मेक अ स्लैंट लाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मास्टिक. इवन जो सन रेज होती है, कि सन जो होता है, ऐसा सन इट इज़ राउंड इन शेप, और उसकी जो रेज भी होती है वो भी स्लैंट हमारी अर्थ पे गिरती है. ओके, नाउ विल स्टिक दिस and we'll make one. See, this is called slant line. We'll stick one more so that you can understand better. So these two are the slant example of slanting line. Okay, now the last line, curve, which is not straight, मतलब जिसकी लाइन स्ट्रेट नहीं होती है. So we will use this vessel to draw the curve. See, this is called curve. One more I will draw. This is called curve line, जो straight नहीं होती है. Simply in simple language, if we call it as, they are called curve line. Okay, so you can use vessels जो गोल होते हैं, but don't make it full. Okay, पूरा मत बनाना. See, one more I will do. So this is called curve line. So these are the 4 types of line which we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, bye, take care.